You must have seen the trending emotional videos currently making rounds on YouTube. They is a channel on YouTube that is blowing up with this content. This channel has gained over 2.3 million subscribers and closely 3 billion views in total. This video right here has reached 120 million views, this 105 million, this 81 million, 80 million, and so on. This is a proof that this niche is doing very well. I know what you are thinking, is this channel monetized? Yes, it is fully monetized, which shows this content is monetizable. I did my research and I found a way to make these videos from start to finish all for free, and I will share it here in this video. But before that, let me show you what I was able to make.
Mr. Peterson, we need to talk.
Walter, please open up. I'm with them.
I understand. I'm ready. Hands up, sir. Keep them visible. I don't know what to do. Sir, we're here to escort you.
Here, Walter. This came in. What is this, Daniels?
Walter, this is for you, Elena.
I don't know what to say.
Congratulations, Walter. Thank you, Walter.
This means so much to us. Just glad I could help.
Oh my, it's beautiful. Welcome home, Walter.
We're so proud of you.
I never thought I'd feel this at home again.
Welcome to the neighborhood, Walter. We're all here for you. So glad you're here with us.
First, we need our power prompt. The prompt will be in the comment section below, but if you want me to send it directly to you, then comment prompt and I will send it. Copy the prompt and open ChatGPT, paste the prompt here and hit enter. ChatGPT will generate 10 topics for you. Go through them and choose the one you want. If you don't feel comfortable with these topics, then tell ChatGPT to generate more for you. Copy the topic you want and paste it here, and ChatGPT will generate the character prompts for you. We will use Google Flow to generate these image characters. Copy your first character prompt, head on to Google Flow and click here. Now click here and choose image and also choose Nana Banana Pro. Paste your prompt here and then hit enter. While that loading, let copy the other character prompts and create the images. Now we have all of our characters ready. Next, we need to create the videos. Head back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate video prompt for you. Within seconds, your prompts will be ready. Copy the first prompt and head back to Google Flow. This tool will give you 50 daily credits to create videos, and we will take advantage of that. If we run out of credits, then we will just create a new account. Click here and select video, choose the 9:16 aspect ratio, make sure it's on VEO3 fast, then paste your first prompt. Here is the tricky part, so pay attention. Add the character pictures you generated earlier to the prompt here before proceeding to generate the video. This is to make sure we get consistent character across the videos. After doing that, hit the enter button. Within a few seconds, our video will be ready. We can click here and see the quality of the video. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the second prompt, paste it in Google Flow and add the relevant issues as we discussed. DO this for the rest of the prompt. When all your videos are ready, download them in the best available quality and save on your device. Next, we need to assemble the clips and turn them into one video. Open CapCut, import all the clips and add them to the timeline, arrange them to match properly, and also use an emotional song as the background music. You can get your music in YouTube Library or use Mixkit. When you are satisfied, export the video. And that's the entire workflow on how to make the emotional videos that are currently going viral. Subscribe to my channel and also like this video. See you in the next video.